The fastest growing podcast in the land, the podcast affirmation. We are back and namhlanje sikuphathele eze-entertainment i-ori showbiz ngoba silande u-DJ Lesule. Uzomazi uLesule owamabele fame. I think ibeka kahle usizo Plose. This is the podcast affirmation. DJ Lesule
Blossoms.
Grand
Blose.
Angisakwazi.
Still long coming kumnandi basekhaya.
Ekugcineni mina bengifonela uvela uthi usengiyeke. Ngithi ngiyafona uthi usebiyami.
Hey, siyazama.
Uyahamba
Siyazama ukucosha lapho nalapho but yeah, akaze qondane kuze kwaqondana
ekugcineni. But Lesule asiqale lento esiphuthume mngani wami nanokuthi sicheck nje ukuthi uLesule umuntu ongamjwayela uLesule lombonela ukuthi uLesule uzalele kuphi akhulela kuphi.
Awesimashweni. Sinawini ngikhule khona, born and bred there. In fact ngize ngahamba kamasho sekulethe sisebenza lapha now so ngithathilwa ngifaka under your wing. So all my life nje ngisipinde kamasho. In fact ngiyilento engiyiyona umasho uyabona ngiyazi ukusizongisukela ukuthi
no ngithina kanjani
ngiyemlazi
uyazi ukuthi ngithina kanjani umasho bangiphuca ifoni and ngithola ukuthi ngathi khona sebebanjiwe babanjiwe or basafuna bangiphuca ifoni estopini lapha kudumsani bakhaya and I'm hurt
khuleka sizobathola sibasolela umasho uncane kakhulu yapha nikhuleka masho
kodwa wena bakuphuci nje lobo uyemlazi
wakhona emlazi
yabo
yeah actually phela no connection lapho nalapho umnandi phela ngaziwa wena ngawe emlazi kahle but yeah ngikhulela kamasho spent all my life there ngaze ngahamba sengisuka nje ekhaya sengithole yami indawo ngihlala nje kamasho ngiyaqaba
udlala ipiano
uyazi sila so ikeyboard
awona Lesule futhi umuntu wesonto kakhulu
namanje so yena kancane fanele ubuye uthi kancane so esontweni ngaqala ngicula kwichoir ngathi mangisuka kwichoir ngafuna ukuthi njalo makuphela isonto le ngifunda ikeyboard ukuthi wenza kanjani bakhona
njalo unonkululeko
umdlalose kahle wathi makuphela isonto asale yedwa echapel ezama ukubheka ukuthi hayi bonke lo muntu lo osedlala leya organ uyenza kanjani mangabe esesele so I found my way around it agcina sekuyimina nami yabona mase maqhubeka uyazi ke mangabe udlala umusic usubheka simoya esikoleni ubheka ku internet ubheka ku YouTube uyabona okay ikeyboard dlala kanje yena into yangifundisa ebese masubheka lapho ugcina usu expose kwamanye ama musicians then ngafigure out ihouse and then one day qeda ukuphuma ku entertainment summit ebusuku ngiyoyigroovela nje ngasekhaya mangithi khona usisi odlala ngalendlela eyisimanga uhamba nabo abantu kanje uhappy
DJ Happy
Fusion Room kusayila cost
ngiyabona
hamba nabo kakhulu abantu kumnandi ngiyabona lo muntu is literally controlling the crowd right
and
mina into engiyaziyo it's the keyboard no producer kancane but angaka tap into this space but now I mean if she can do it I definitely can
now you can
yabo ngene went back to my drawing board ngihlangana nomuntu Dr. Uthena wayisebenza lapha yana naye futhi
ngiyakukhumbula
Uthena kwakuyena yedwa ne-equipment ke lokushini yabo u-DJ
but ungayifihli vibe FM yazi so entertainment summit
so uyena wathi ngena la uzobona now you'll figure your way around because wayesifundweni wayesonto kakhulu esifundweni ufakazi baJehova kuba ufazi baJehova so ngangifika nesikhathi sakhe sokuthi ayesifundweni nathi ngixhumile uzobona nawe ukuthi wenza njani hayi ke from there the rest is history
kushuthi music uvele kuyinto yakho
yes you know ngivele ngithanda music but inkinga ukuba ne-access to equipment because abantu abaningi iyabiza equipment nje ukwenza nje le podcast base kuthiwa siyaqala sayibale ungabona ukuthi ngabe sengithenge imoto ezo3 yebo leyo nto
into esithi
investment so I didn't have equipment but at least bekukhona uDJ la abadlala emshadweni la abadlala nabo 10 umuntu show une equipment ehlezi kuwo unokuthi ahambe yodlala eclubini around elokushini so ngiyazi lapho at least kukhona umuntu engangqongqoza ke ngithi hayi bomfethu ngiyadinga nami ukufunda wathi you'll figure out indlela yakho yokudlala lo start lo stop ngiyahamba mina ngesontweni.
But there's khona izinto ogcina usuzenza-ke nje ezithwebhu kulento yokudlala
Yeah.
because wena ubuke kube nalezi zinto khona wawuyiphathela khona okuseceleni uthi udlala ey'ndaweni eziwu-3 wasithatha isibeka lezi uthi uyadlala la uphinde futhi kubonakale udlala nangalana kwakwenzeka kanjani on top of everything bese uphendule lo mbuzo ile yokungafaki ama-headphone.
Okay.
Yabona?
So leya equipment leyana nami ngumuntu curious. If ngenza izinto I like to be the first to do it. So you can show me how it works, but I want to go beyond lento le ekuyona esuke wazi ukuthi okay la stop la start, but ngiyawustopha kanjani ngustophe mhlambe iphinde kathathu idlala i-acapella noma idlala i-echo, because that's how you find the identity yakho within a space. Like mawudlala fanele bezayi akusadlali lo bedlala sekukhona ongenileke manje yabo. So lawo ma equipment lawo amanye ama-Akai MPK, so izinto ezikwazi ukuthi uzixhume kuwona ama-CDJs, whether we are producer noma mhlawumbe uyadlala ama-CDJs uyazixhuma zikhipha imisindo ehluke kakhulu kule osukuyidlala. Ezinye zi-allow ukuthi even live ukhiphe, let's say ingoma manje ithi ulime esigodini amabe ihamba ne-beat, ngiyakwazi ukuyisusa i-beat ngisuse i-tap ngisuse yonke into usale nje just acapella live. So lezo zinto ziyakwazi ukuthi zikuseparate from the rest bese uthi mina uma ngiza ngizodlala uma ngibhukhela 1 2 3. If ufuna ukuthi ukhiphe i-budget, this is how far I can take it. Ngiyakwenzela wonke
because lo mlingo lo awushaye uthi ithi dlala ithi ngiyakazi.
I know that's what you're saying.
Ayayibona yazi lento eyenze ngishiye everything bese udlala ngizobuka lokho bese iqali get ngiyakazi.
Awusho kahle mangiyongena ukuthi uyenzeke le yanto.
Ayikwamele
uyenzeke le so le yanto ya ngiyakazi, and it's always exciting, so that thing keeps people on their feet. Playing these tricks loud nama acapella is just another way to say be creative. Ngiyafuna uku-understand because we are always students in the music. Ukhona okwazi ukudlala music omuvisa abantu yakhumbula uhlezi uthi le nto deep house sefuna ukudansa leso sefuna ukudansa thina khona abantu abakwazi and lento ikufundisa ukuhlonipha wonke umuntu DJ. Khona abantu abaziyo just the right songs to play for people to go crazy. Khona abantu abakwazi ukumisa kanje ukuthi wenze kanjani, and I like being that person. What did she just do and how, you know?
Okay, listen. Awungizela kule headset. I understand even namhlanje.
I love speaking about the headphones. So asiqale nje ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ngicine ngingadlali ngawo. Angidlala ngama headphones kudala nginganankinga futhi ngingaboni problem ukudlala ngawo. One day ngibhukhe for the first time eHazy View ngibhukhe uDJ Pepsi engibhukha kwenye indawo ekuthiwa ise-Bush Paradise. Ngiqala eMpumalanga ngiqala ngisho ukugibela iflight ngibhukhe somewhere out of home. Ngishiya ama-headphones ngephuthe e-airport kwi-overhead compartment. Aphuma kancane esikhwameni esasivulekile kangesiphethe. Ema ngifika eMpumalanga ebangitshela ngama-language akhona ukuthi asinawo esikuboleke futhi. O-DJ nje bangincintsha nje kahle kahle ama-headphones abo. And at that time buy ama-headphones e-Pioneer awufanele ukhiphe 250 wakho, so umuntu wayicabangela into yakhe. It's like ama-jack pin, kwakunala ama-jack pin sometimes.
Ngiyabona ama-jack pin.
Uhamba le-jack pin yami angisenayo, uyabona. So bangigaba blose ngacabanga at that time kwakhona ama-CDJ 100. So umahluko we-CDJ 100 to what we use now is i-100 lalinganayo i-pitch bend egridelayo ukuthi sihambe kangakanani nosuku seku-right ukubhalela ukuthi ile tempo le ingoma. So kwakufanele wena uyi-drag ingoma izifike kuleyo tempo kanjani awazi engingeni ngidlala. But I found because we are producer and I understand the frequency of music and how many bars there are to a song, and I understand the keyboard and how to count, because I count when I play.
Like what?
Yonke there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It starts in the next count.
Without
headphones, nothing. It wasn't perfect, but there were no glitches. Abantu ababewa pick up ngale ndlela ngahlala phansi ngicela ukudlala ngathi no man, this futhi amahasha eshaye kancane kodwa ngiwa-drag ngibamba. So ngathi no man, this could really, because the owner was like, we're really happy with this set, but this could be it. This could be what defines me from the next person. This could be something I start, and it's not difficult. It's just that asifuni thina ukuzinika isikhathi sihlale ne-equipment sigange yazi ukuthi uthola i-trick okade ungayilindele uma uhleli phambi kwe-equipment yakho udlala nje ufidget around with it uzobuthi hayibo what did I just do, let me do it again. Yabona all these scratches, these bends already they set with ama-vinyl to understand ukuthi you can scratch it that much and bend it that much and bring it back to ukuqala kwengoma uqala ngokuthi uspend isikhathi no-music. That's what helped, but mina that was my challenge.
I think lento enzeka la amafoni yabo. Sometimes ifoni ugcina ungayi-enjoy because awugagi ngayo yabona ufana exactly understand that ufana nani na even nemoto for the particular matter if ungayihluphi ukuthinta wenzeni ugcina unemoto isharp but how we enjoy that much. Leso liphele la kule khoza namanje yokungena la kwinto yomsakazo. Because I understand futhi na umsakazo ube ne journey ende osithathu iqala nakhona ukuthi yenzeka kanjani.
So nje ngithema ngiqala ukuba umuntu osebenza ka radio. I first met you eKK.
Yeah.
Bengihlezi nginama interviews khona mangabe ngitholile ngenza poetry. Remember ngangiyi-poet.
Yeah.
Ngabe imbongi. So ngenza poetry, speak kwakhona usilindile.
Yeah.
Esha i-Art Attack.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Mangabe ngene ethi sibi Art Attack la khona sikunika i-Heart Attack ngezi art nani esabenze mina. So ngifike vibe ngibona this organization is actually good, and for me it was the first time ngisebenza endaweni where kune office la ngaphandle kunani ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyesikoleni ngiyabuya. I meet you and then you're like ngiyabona ukuthi uyathanda ukungena ku-radio but woza uyifamiliarize kwi-space because usuyadijaya nokudijaya manje. Hayi ngeniyane ku-radio ke I produced kwi-Entertainment Summit kaBlose, we introduced the people.
And then temple ya show producer way.
And introduced on the nature of winning. There were DJs. There are so many names that are launched there. General would come, Professor would come. Everyone who was anyone wanted to come to the Entertainment Summit.
Yeah.
A community radio station. I don't know when last that happened. A show that was
that's
that
what I feel like no Chile.
No
Thames yet.
Feel in and out. Any show, any concert, any festival wanted to start. The first meeting point with the people was with us. Because at that time between 7 and 10, community radio station, but you brought that many people to listen to the show. And when I worked on the show, for me, I never weigh opportunity in the form of revenue. I take an opportunity because it will expand my knowledge and experience. And so, you teach me how to draft a show, you know. And now I know I need to arrive early. And look, plus I England the car. England the car, everything dropper, a fusion room. And then I get happy months I could have abantu ngeke lento ngizoyifunda lento ngiyifundisise, and that's when I
and lapho semncane
kakhulu ngisayishayela ama waves
bodlinga
so yeah, and it was fun, and the experience was really enriching. And ngasuka khona one day ngifonele uSithandwa Nzuza athi man ngiyadlalela mangabe unoBlose
okhosini
hayi ufuna ama mix akho nami manje
uSithandwa
ukhona
akamuhle
always futhi
uhlele on point. Shout out to Sithandwa Nzuza,
a big shout out. And uSithandwa ngangivala ishow yakhe mix asivala nje ukushaya sekushaya o12:1
wawusuvela usuyighost
kahle ngisevele sengithola i-training ngisasinama desk ethu lapha ngaphakathi kwe-Entertainment Summit. So by the time ngifika kuSithandwa, in fact ngangisengi-equipped kahle. uSithandwa ewathanda ama-mixes ami ngidlale kwishow yakhe ebusuku, and it was so much fun because even if bakuyise ebusuku angithi mangiphuma kweyakhe ishow uthi so spread your wings, there's no conflict of interest. Ngidlale kweyasithanda show. Now I'm this DJ who occupies a weekend of sorts.
Yeah.
I start my weekend now babantu. Ngidlale ebusuku uSithandwa, and she would hype me up so much. And I love people who just without any doubt or any jealousy abathandayo ukuthi bakhuphula abanye abantu ispace sabo. Akunika ispace sakhe platform yakathi nakho about do whatever you want to do. So we had so much fun. I remember while we were having fun with uSithandwa, I must say this, one day Linda Smith sent me a DM saying, ungasendela i-mix yevuka, yabo. So that was how impactful the mixes were. And I was like, definitely, but let me consult Nostad.
Yeah.
And he was happy. So I was like, yes, we're moving. If we make GK food, then that means yabo siyazwakala. And those two platforms then opened up one that was the beginning of the rest of my radio career. Ngafonelwa ngaqala ngayodlala kwaThumbeza kwenye indawo eyayise-Marian Hill.
Oh, okay.
DJ akhona khona indawo aziwa khona. Kakuzayigqo Sodoma neGomora.
Siyaqala manje umuva from.
DJ phela sengiyabhuka manje. Sengithatha 1500.
Ah,
imali sengihambisa ekhaya.
Malekanga.
Sengaqala ukungithatha serious nabo ukuthi ayoneteke kahle inento ikhona iyakhona yabona. Ngiyazwakala lokushini sebeyazi ngisebenza ku-radio ebusuku national radio station.
Negama liyangena.
Liyangena-ke manje igama nani mangabe kukhona something hey woza leso khona indawo ene-festival sokuputshisa sobona kanjani lose wayingenisa ngisho ngekho ku-line up. Izona sizala kwi-main stage ebusuku ngo-12 on the main
sakubula samsha kanjalo Mpisane.
Yebo.
Wangaphathi lihambisana.
Sangena singamenyiwe.
Ayisangena.
The first party sangena simshayile all whites wakhona no gold. Safika sakhandishwana ama-present bethengelana imoto uShawn noSibumpisane. They were buying each other cars. Siyafika la asibenyiwe ubloso sobona. Sasugqokile all white ready, dressed for the occasion, and that's how we just forged in the nation. That's how we say when doors don't open, knock them open. Kick them open. You understand? And that nature is so dead right now. I don't understand. We are so huge on complacency, staying nje lento yokucomplain about uma usubuzo uvuke wenza nekuseni uzocontribute kwe-career yakho unengasho. And yes, there are challenges, but sometimes just not.
I think it costs imali. Abantu basuke bafune imali phambili. Ngiyazi imali iyona yenza umhlaba umuva.
Ukuba bayazi sasidla upetrol wakho thina ungakhokhwa lutho masifikile phakathi saba in that space siqedile. So yeah,
back to this thing your radio. I think siyaqala manje ukhika ngempela.
Ngibona umzokoloko kaThumbeza eyangibuke ngidlala umzo wangibuka ngidlala hayi uSpanman umzokhona ku-medical
lapho awuthandele
kudlala umzo emva kwami mina kade ngidlala before him ukhiwa kaThumbeza uyi-headline and then I'm just like he just became like all of you just became family instantly. I know angazi contextual umuntu mangabe ene-interest beyond just friendship. We want to do something, we see something in you. Mzokoloko was like, you play very well. Ngicuphi number yakho? Angasho lutho. 3 days later ngibuyele esikoleni ngikhathalele ngisazopheka ngiqala bakuyi-10 yami ukuthi ngipheke ekhaya. Nayo i-phone call phuma kumzokoloko yabo ngiyisevile nenamba yakhe nami. Ngilibanga ngihlapha uzomnika enye ibooking. Ngathi I like how you play. I think ukhona message engizokusendela yona manje. Message ish. Ngine opportunity kanje on a Tuesday on my show idlala ngo-12 to 1 to 3 ishow on Kakasi FM. There will be no pay, but here's what the platform can give you. Asizame small. Angina equipment ke lapho ke blose, angina lutho kudingakala ama mixtapes ke manje every Tuesday. Now I need to be honest with umzongo mthothi hey ngiyayifuna ngempela opportunity but angazi ngizoqala kanjani. Umzo was like don't worry, there's a guy called Mario. DJ Mario. Une-equipment kwakhe.
Before music compiler
yes, before abe music compiler naye wayene-mix kwi-show kamzongo. Avela athi no, ukhona a guy called Mario. He's a very easygoing guy. Uzoyiletha i-equipment either kwami simixele khona. Every Sunday I was at Mzokoloko's house. Wayengilanda ekhaya kaMasha. Ngimixe kwakhe ngenza ama-mixtapes mhlawumbe awu-3. Awathathe mhlawumbe 4 for the month. Kuba ma-mix ekuyiwona azodlala on the radio. He didn't need to do that. Like you, he did not need to assist me to that point. He could have just said, make me mixtapes and see what is going. He understood I was a female in the industry. I can be vulnerable. I need the assistance. I need the guidance more than anything. So wavulela kwakhe wathi no record la. And I found okay ukumede nami phela isibongo sami singesakumede. So he just became my brother, an extended brother kanjalo. Esazi umuntu ekhaya mayizongilanda angilande mayizongidropa futhi angidrope. Ngidlale kwi-show kamzo on a Tuesday. Bakuvele kube ngathi uKissmas. Because I was ultimixing angithi. Ngikhula ne-experience yakho yama-mixes keep getting.
And you're relevant to market yakho.
Manje ke sengiya-ultimixa ke manje sengiwu-Kent wabo ke manje Kakasi on a Tuesday. And on a Friday I remember kwakudlala uFeel. And I think they shifted ama-slots. Like, no, I want to give you a Friday lunch.
Oh.
Because every time you're on air, it's like, Happy New Year.
Yo.
Hey, ngidlale. Ama-mixer ayakholektha uZanda. Zanda Mthembu.
Yeah, ngiyambona
Zanda. Nangibasubmit uZanda sasaya kuseGagasi ebese uZanda angilodele wona. She was always happy because I was always on time.
Yeah.
So ama-mix mangiqeda ukwenza mangabe sengiqeda ukwenza umzo sengithole enye equipment yami sengikwazi ukuzenzela ekhaya. Ngangwashiya reception. Sometimes ngihambisele usisi wami. Sometimes ngihambisele u-aunt wami. Sometimes ngihambisele abantu baselokishini. My community contributed so much.
Yeah.
Even at iphoyisa lasendaweni engilazi ukuthi sisebenzela ngaseGateway. Becela ngiphathela na i-CD inama mixtapes awu 4 ayeGagasini kanje. Umuntu angishiye. Those people did so much for me. I could never thank them enough, you know. Abanye bebengihambisa ngisho kuma gigs. Abantu abanezimoto ngasekhaya nginganayo imoto yokuhamba. Bengiyingane nje yabo kahle endaweni because nami bengiyilengane makwehlisa kaze eTexini yahlangabeza ngisibeke endlini uyabona sikhuliswe kanjalo kakhe
and le yampilo yangempela
imnandi le yampilo plus imnandi there's a sense of community you know so ngidlala ngoTuesday ngimove to Friday. Friday became worse because now angisadlala deep house kuphela on a Tuesday because the tone changes. Now I can go all out. Azishe Friday. One day I get a call from Umzo wathi management ufuna ukukhuluma nawe. Akaze ngiqhaqhazele kanje. Ngithi mhlambe bebikhona we mixed or contents akalile yacina but I was listening so what could have happened yabo or contents engenzile outdoors engaba representanga kahle ku station because you represent them whether you do or not whether you know it or not. And at that time kwakusahamba kahle yonke into bayangibhuka kuma live sessions uMimi Kesaris benoziphi indaweni would call me and book me and give me leyo mali yami sisathora around kuzovela motion ngenzeni mangifika
when usa enjoy moment
usamnandi mangifika khona ngangihleli noMina Nhlengxumalo who is now currently uZamini MD and the MD of the station ukhona ovukile Zondi noMimi Kesaris panel ngihleli ngipresentable ngenza noma kuthiwa bacabangana aba-reconsideration ukuthi bengangiqoshi
uyayidinga
lento sekumnandi sengiyabhuka manje sengikwazi ukuya eMaritzburg Newcastle sengiyabhuka Blossoms bavele bangipresente with something that I didn't expect at that time angisasesikoleni but we like how you communicate with Umzo. We feel like you guys have such chemistry. But we'd like for you to stop playing on Umzo's show but because it's a unique opportunity to ungene on the station. Would you do this slot 1 a.m. to 4 a.m? Nah, engivume ngithi ngingasenza ngisho mahala but okay. Now here's the challenge. Ngiyafunda mina nayo enginayo eyokhokhela udriver mayezofaka upetrol angise kwigig la kuzofika kuphuzwe khona because obviously kumnandi mazothi angiphelezela ngibhukwe somewhere khona i-rider khona yonke into. Now I need to get to from point A to B from kwaMashu ngo-12 to ebusuku ngisuka ngo-12 la ama-taxi aphele khona ngiyemhlanga ngiyaphuma ngo-4 mfana ngilini itaxi yokuqala itaxi iphuma ngo-6 erank nayo sazorawunda naye erank kuze uyofika yini ufika ngo-8 ekuseni yabo nayo challenge ngiqale ngihanjiswe umfana wasekhaya mangaba ama-shift akhe right usibuka buye athumele uthulu wayenemoto ekhaya so now I need to work towards getting ekhaya kube i-challenge but I made it to the show. Sometimes mangithi okay ayikho imoto transportation namhlanje ayivumi iphume ngiyogcina itaxi ya 10 ayisenza show ama-taxi angaseka sizombheka just in case past 9 ukuthi usephumile yini yabo ngiphume ngiyogcina ngihlale station ngenze my school work ngenze yonke into khona ngiphathe laptop ngenze yonke into ngilinde lo 1 my first show was called The Hangover and then ngo-4 iyaphela ngilinde itaxi yokuqala uma ngehla sekusafe sekukhanya
uhlala lapha station
ngilehle la ne-computer ne-internet ngiyafunda manje ngenza yonke into my homework my assignments my studying ngiyenza la sekufanele ngihlala kunama-meetings ngama-Tuesday kumele ngibuye ngize la kuma-meetings ngama-Tuesdays sometimes bangisesikoleni bengingaqondani but babe-understand
but usuyawuthola 2.8
sengiyawuthola hayi bango-2.8 sebengobelinga mina
ngiyadlala
nangihola per show. I remember my rate, my show was 4 hours, 3 hours, 1 to 4. So rate at the time per week was probably 1.2. So I walked away with about 4.8 and then it was taxed obviously. But still, I still walked away with more than 3,000 every month, which contributed back to my transportation. alabo petrol bakhokhela abantu abangilethayo yabona ama meetings and everything else, and even imali ukuthi ngiyiyeleke nje.
But always ucash futhi ngama-gigs.
Yabo, so isiyangena imali sengikwazi nokuthenga makufiketele endlini sengiyakwazi ukuthenga ekhaya yabo, makudinga i-microwave entsha sengiyakwazi i-fridge yale buy 3 months ngiyalithenga. This is the reality of it, you know. Kwahamba isikhathi ke ngakhula within the station, and I really have to say this. Mimi Kesaris is one of the most humble people I know on earth. People came and went and went.
Yeah, I know Mimi. He's a very nice guy.
All he wanted was for you to do your job and do it well and then get out of there.
Yeah.
No politics. He taught me something really, really important. Do your job, do it well, and see if condos of phone EPE.
Yeah.
And that's how I learned to approach radio and anything else in life. I did my job and I bounced.
Yeah, sure.
So,
well, I think kwena into ayenza futhi ngisalalela kahle kulona ilento le isho kamzo leyo kwaku entertainment or something. I mean gig guide. Yeah, gig guide.
So he'd call me and ask me, where are you playing this week? And that's how they got to know how I speak. This week was last week bekshubela khulu endaweni ethize, and I had no radio 101.
And into branding awubuflow, yes.
Kakhulu. Lokishi nje. Yona so
that's got to cool
so kwayileyo nto nje ukuthi bathandile lo ngikhulume ngayo bangifaka. From there I had Bring on the Night. I was the first woman on radio to run a weekend. On Fridays I did 7 to 10, Saturdays 7 to 10, Sundays 6 to 10 with Mario. An entire weekend sweep of house music. They trusted me with it and I was so grateful. Umimi was just like, just do the show. Because everything is always on time. One day, Mimi, I think Uzuki was off that day. But one reporter late.
Uzuki Zalim.
Oh, okay. Uzuki late. We spent the meeting, Yama DJs on Tuesday. We must call in. Ati, leso, ready. Stand in on the show. I said, yeah, sure. I was always like that person. Yeah, let's do it. That's okay. Now
whoever read
in 5 minutes. Now I prep show in 5 minutes. He was red, frustrated, and as so far about because everyone Obega in the show wasn't available, and those that were there had shows after Egazuki.
Oh, okay.
So he needed to find someone who's going to drive in 5 minutes after the show in Kanti. I happened to be in the corridors at the time. I stood in on Zuki's show for 3 months.
Wow, excellent.
Gave me the best radio knowledge and experience in my time. I think I didn't even care. I would say, oh shoot, I'm going to be earning every day now. Sengs or hola cool about for these 3 months. But after that, Desdin took over. But it was such a great experience to hear people not complain. I understood the structure of the show. Simon Newman was the producer of the show at the time. It was just such a pleasant experience. Yes, I made my mistakes, my errors, but people are so welcoming to just the energy that I brought to the show. Umimi then knew what he needed to do with me from there on. After that show, that's when I started getting my primetime shows.
23.
Yes. Fast forward a few. In fact, I still did the weekend, but he knew would see the next lineup. Felix. No fly every day, all day. Yeah, because it was such a vibrant show between
and I'm comedians.
Yeah, comedians. You can't get better than that, you know. And there's humor all around, but also siafundisan at the same time. Yes, there are glitches and whatever, but I was there to work, and so everything else becomes misty for me.
Yeah,
but everything else, all the other politics that exist between obviously presenters, you know, there are always clashes of. Yeah, but. Everything else for me was besides the point.
Yeah.
Got a lot of experience working with Felix. After working with Felix, then kwabakona ishow ngayenza kuyimina kuHizi, worked with Fly again. Working with Hizi was also quite an experience. The energy was different. Hizi is a different personality.
I know Hizi is the best, yes.
He's really good at radio. He would do radio for 6 and
I like how my shows are, cuz.
So I did radio with them and until I thought, I don't like staying too long in spaces.
Oh, yeah,
I think it's just the curiosity pushes me to want more all the time. And I respect the rules of radio. Radio is good in the sense that it can be versatile. It allows you to go out uyodlala endaweni ethize udlale nasendaweni enye ethize but i-radio at the same time inokuthi iyadinga ucommittee to a contract, so iyadinga la mangabe committed to a contract, you have to be on air at the studio for at least 80% of the time. So now it clashes with the career path that I really, really want to take on besides radio. I see myself as a DJ before everything. Everything else, I am a musician, an all-round musician. And one that wants to go global. Now this becomes an issue where I have an obligation to people who have respected and grown me so much. And built my profile, my brand, and helped with just the growth holistically. But now I also want more for me. And I resigned. I remember Kuligani, I was like, I sat with Alex, I sat with Kuligani just before the contract negotiations. But I wanted more. Regardless what was pitched and proposed to me, I wanted more. And I wanted more in the sense that I wanted to pause my radio.
But I cannot jump in.
Yeah, because I wanted a year to make an album without pressure, tour, leave, spend 3 or 4 weeks where I am at to experience the Zindawengi visitayo outside of the country, without having to come back 3 days later, saying I'm in and out. It feels like I just left South Africa to go to New York and only just to come back by Monday, It just started clashing all the time. And both careers were good to me, but one was more stable in the sense that I knew I was getting paid every month. And these people made a commitment to me, and there's no doubt it was a haul. But the other stands to make me so much more, and it's not about the money, but make me so much more in terms of contributing to my career and proper widen my horizon. Meeting new people from all walks of life. So I made a decision, and I don't regret it. Gakasi's home, I can knock at Gakasi's doors anytime and say, hey, hi, I'd like to come back home, regardless how you feel I might fit. And then a year after touring internationally, I get a call from Metro FM, and they're like, okay, Sianda Philip calls me and he's like, I like how you sound on radio. I know it's been a year.
That kind of interview I can Touch.
Yes. Actually, Touch didn't even know. Who Touch doesn't even know.
That's because Probably more of the planning and stuff.
I had no idea. The day he called me, I had just seen in Wuma corridors, he got to go an interview, no, Siyabonga Philip.
Oh.
That one and all black, all Range Rover, the touch is always fresh, I greeted him, he didn't even see me. He was like, yes, greeted back. But he doesn't know he was speaking to me. An hour later, he calls me. He's like, he was playing in Miami, like, this is my national anthem. And I'm like, okay, I'm getting a call from SABC. I think some outstanding information. And it's on air. Touch is like, you're on Metro FM, this song is like my national anthem. I just saw him. And we flow, we speak, and I'm like, this is just God at work. I remember Zama Cosmetics, just toiletries. I step out and I speak to him, and he's like, let's do an interview next week. And he's like, nah, actually, fast forward this Thursday.
Oh, okay.
So I stayed in Joburg for that amount of days. So I actively wanted to leave Kakasi because because I was signed by Black Coffee by that time. I worked at Solistic. Everything just made sense for me to leave radio and pursue this career for a while. Hey, ngifonelwe uTouch again. Ngize kuTouch and uTouch my interview angitshela futhi lakhona ukuthi mina kahle ngizoenjoy. And then one day we DJs meeting wonke umuntu. Here I am on air. And he's like, what are you doing? And I'm like, well, I work here now. And that's how Metro started. Spent almost a year with Metro. Resigned in December. Served my notice during the first course of the year. And look, it was a conversation. I really appreciate how they work. It was such a conversation. The back and forth between me and Lucia, and where do you see yourself? Do you think you want to still continue your career as a DJ internationally, but maybe have a contributor slot So ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhulume ne-on-air personality ngathi mina ngiyayisaba i-commitment because ngiyasaba uba uhlupho in an organization. I would rather take this space, open it up, even equally beneficial for someone who will use it and needs it more than I do. One thing I will not do is hold a seat for no reason, you know. So here I am now, venturing into other
but
things.
khona la kade so busy khona overseas.
Yeah,
ubuzodlala la sikubone khona ungawasebenzisi kakhulu ama headsets. I think ila abantu okwalile bhala ukuthi approves.
It feels so good to be counted amongst people who are genius in the field, because doing something that people never dare to do takes courage, and when that courage is awarded, you know, a good tap on the shoulder is always like good to hear, because it's like you're doing the right thing, you know? Going overseas is such an experience, but it's not all glitz and glam. The travel is exhausting. Like the in-betweens are so hectic, and sometimes there are layovers and you have to wait for the next available flight. It might be a day after, and sometimes you miss these flights because now, especially if I'm an airline, like there's so much, but the thrill of it all is what makes it all exciting. We are full, we allow ya. So whatever the delay, whatever pain you might feel in your body, when we allow ya, but the whole thing is the reward at the end is great.
Me private jet.
Oh no, just but that time is coming. I'm a firm believer in that. All my flowers are still waiting for me somewhere in a certain room. When my name is mentioned in the right room, everything else will change. You know, I think I'm yet to experience it. I love the pace at which I go because I'm not the hype. I really am not the hype. I'm not that type of artist. I'm an all-round musician. I am talent. And when you put me in a room with other talented people...
What was it for how many? Amabele,
Abalaleli, Ngithanda leSoul, Izakudala. I have so many songs that I've worked with abantu talented.
So manje uspana phezulu one
album
manje phuma nini?
I'm looking
watch
at
the space.
The Williams general parts. But I think September end is a Sipumili project. Because, I'm trying to do something that taps back into like just I've experimented, but that tribal feel, but more musical. But more than anything now, I want to fully peel my layers. There are things that I can do with equipment. There are these tricks. My album will sound more like Yala.
Bese ngicabanga ukuthi uSpanini no Black Coffee. Waphindwa iboss yakho Black Coffee.
Yeah.
Yo, isifiso sabantu abaningi for sure.
Yeah. No, I've had a great time learning from someone like him, and he still is accessible. And I've even got a track and I was to release him, but it's up to him at this time. To keep that I did with him. It's a very emotional, provoking song, but I'm more than anything. So
ubani ufuna ukuspana naye onesifiso leso ukuspana naye mhlambe nationally or internationally, othi nje bawususuka kwi DJ box kungene yena or kubo wena athi bephuma ongene?
Has to definitely be Kabza Small nationally. Kabza is just a ball of
it's a DJ's Jerry.
And then it has to internationally. There's a guy by the name of French Kiwi Juice. I think he's just the epitome of talent. And then I'll say internationally still, Lady Smith Black Mambazo. We once almost finished something, and I think we just need to finish it. Colin Majosi is probably gonna watch this thing. So I convert into Lady Smith Black Mambazo for me is like a dream to just complete a project with them and have it out there. I know we do something special Master Stallion in the studio soon.
But your stories catch up on.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of rest. Going to gym, sleeping as much as I rest. All those things. I'm a huge fan of resting.
Mind you say cliche down.
Oh, jahe dawo. Hamba nge-international nje plus kusazohanjwa ngihambe.
So awasifuni isixefu. Kwasho
Eyi.
manje.
Not this stuff as such. I think kuzozenzakalela uma ngabe isikhathi sesifika. But I do want to focus more on building myself ukuze ngibe right for the next person. Obviously, I am with someone. But I really do want to give umuntu right now for them. Consistency wise, nangokuthi ngibe reliable.
And ayikho into ehlupha lokuthandana nomuntu angatholakali. Ezothiwa ukwelilizwe.
Ubona kuma updates ukuthi bese sengikwenye indawo kade ngingazi ukuthi ngilana yabo, so it also.
Bathana leso luthanda ngomculo.
Honestly, if you asked what I play on a regular basis, I love it, chill hop. Chill hop is like a little bit of laid back, lo-fi music.
No, angisasho lo udlalayo. Ngisho uLesule as a person. Mengithi ngiyakujoina siya driver now. Mhlawumbe udlalani gospel, udlala
Lo-fi.
fusion, udlala ngiyawubona lo omsebenzi. Kuba khona umculo womsebenzi. Kube sekuba khona umculo wakho awuthandayo.
Lo-fi cishe kube ne-element ye-jazz, cishe kube ne-element ye-trap, ye-hip hop, cishe kube ne-element ye-trip hop. So it all comes together ngama instruments.
So any favorite hangout spots?
Hey, favorite one Mojo's Car Wash.
Oh yeah. Kamabulala.
Kuma khona wayizolo hamba ngo-order inyama ngafika gcwele.
Mnandi nyama lapha.
Lalela bengo-order yona vele nami.
Ongithatha siya khona kuba wena uzokhokhela ibill.
So
wena ukhokhela ibill.
Second favorite hangout spot, Brown Sugar, Oceans.
Yeah.
Love it. They've just brought something new and I really think it's dope. Light in Durban. Third hangout spot, Max's Lifestyle. It's beautiful. He's done the most. You can't even dispute it. The service yakho right. Ziningi nje kodwa. Kamashu. It has to be Wiseman's Car Wash and Artisan.
Yeah.
Wiseman, if you want to just be casual, wash moto yakho lana kumnandi, gomuke from morning till late. And then Artisan nofuna ukuhlala phansi nabantu bakho. Ni socialize nje.
Isakhona le yankukhu yakhona.
Yamantu sisindo sayipheka namanje. So yeah, those two places have to be but there's a new one that I'm actually growing fond of right now. To Rooftop.
Oh yeah, ngiyayibona Rooftop. Yeah, imnandi Rooftop.
Kamnandi Rooftop. Yeah, so those are my favorites.
No, zimnandi yakho. Ibhola support?
Yes.
Team?
Chiefs.
Ayekele. Bese ngazi ukuthi uzosho Chiefs. Otherwise leso mhlambe passing shots.
Parting
Shots like concluding your match.
Shajago nyama producers ke manje sengididekile. Look, I just really look forward to still being in Durban and taking everything esinayo la to the rest of the world, and I love platforms like Anjena where we get to converse with Abantu. I used to sit down in Abantu every day and have a 3-hour session nabo. I've learned to appreciate my podcast so much because one, they live forever on the social media.
Yeah.
Two, there's no confinement as to what it's all honest. I call BCC SOT. It's opinions, it's real life stories, and I really appreciate it.
And simnandi story sakho yazi. Especially se radio. Khona intwana zamera i-podcast ye-radio yazi untokozo Njapa no.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, faya ubavakashele. Balapha kamasho ngicine belapha na AKK benotobeka ukhulusi.
Ngiyambona Ntobeka ukhulusi.
Amajita grand. Ngiyawavakashela imnandi podcast yayo nga-enjoya futhi. Nakhona istory sakho se-radio it's quite fascinating.
Yeah, we can just go in
I
there.
love it.
So, yeah.
I love it. Listen, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. I really looked forward to coming through. But more than anything, I think, you have always been someone who's paid it forward and never kept count. So just keep doing it, Blosse. God bless you. And do what you would rather do. What time so do whatever you want to do this weekend. But if you, yeah.
No, don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please
you
take
take
pictures.
pictures. Yeah, that's-